Hi everyone. So in the previous video I got asked quite a lot, how do you time these engines? And the answer is very simply. So in this video I'll show you exactly how to time these little engines, and as far as I'm aware it can be applied through most of the Honda single cylinder range, so helpful for everyone that's needing a bit of help. So what we have to do first is take the flywheel covers off, which will expose everything we need to see. So now that they're off, what we see is the flywheel and the bolt that we will be using to turn the engine over. Now if I turn the engine over slowly, you will see, slower than that, you will see timing marks that start to come round. Not interested in that one, we're not interested in the F for the moment, I'll get back to that later. But the one we're interested in is the T. Now as you can see, what I'm trying to do here is line the line up with the red mark in the casing. Now the mark in the casing is just a cut line. I've highlighted it in red just to make it easier to see. Now that that's lined up, I shall zoom in and let you see a bit closer. There we go, there's the mark. That's all lined up. Now if we go up to the cam, now up here we can see we have the timing mark in the casing, which I've highlighted in red again, and the timing mark for the actual cam on the sprocket. Now what you can see here is it's 180 degrees out. Now if you're wondering why that is, it's because for it, the cam rotates at half the speed of the crank. So for every one revolution of the crank, you only get half a revolution up here. So if the crank is doing 6,000 RPM, the cam is only doing 3,000 RPM. So that's how you end up 180 degrees out. So what we need to do now is go back down to the crank and rotate it one more revolution, which will bring the cam into perfect alignment with its mark. Back a touch. There we are. Now if we go back up to the cam, what you can see is now the timing marks are perfectly aligned, and you can be doubly sure that the cam is perfectly aligned if you touch the tappets. As you can hear, they're both loose, which means that nothing's under any tension. So that means the pistons at TDC, there's no pressure on the rocker arms, so the engine can be disassembled, or you can set up your tappets or whatever you need to do that requires putting the engine in time. So as you can see, very simple, easy to do, and you'd be hard pushed to get it wrong really. And as I say, you can use this tip through most of the single cylinder Honda range, from TLs to XLs, CGs, and whatever else Honda engines you can think. So hope you've enjoyed this little kind of tech tips episode, and if you all like it, let me know in the comment section and we'll do more. See you later.